Hello everyone, welcome to Hike Mentors. I'm on Hike and today we are going to discuss the introduction for the task 2. Actually, I have got like many of the students problem. They always ask me like it took really long to write the task 2 introduction for them. Sometimes they take even like 15 minutes, which is really wastage of time because the real score of in the task 2 lies in your body paras, the real language, real your way of writing, the ideas, all the things are checked in your body paras. So we are going to solve this problem today and we are going to discuss the really clever and really smart method so that you don't have to waste your time and uh, like have to use lots of brain. No, it's just very simple. Let's jump to the passage right now. So if I talk about the introduction, it totally based on your structure, guys. You just need 40 to 50 sentences for this to write, not more than that. Okay, 40 to 50 sentences are enough for you. And what the second step is this, like you need some synonyms to use this. Well, I have divided my introduction in three statements. The first one is journal statement. I given it the zero number because it's optional, guys. The journal statement basically, if you have some, you would write. If you don't have some, you won't write. Okay. Like if I show you here, before that I'm going to like discuss all three parts. The second one is the paraphrase the questions, in which we change the words or change the order of the sentences of the statement. And the second one or the third one, that is your thesis statement, in which you clear your opinion. Okay. So what is journal statement? Basically it is the background, it is the background of the topic sentence, guys. Like a topic, the keyword you choose, like if it is about the education or if it is about the technology, like most of the time if we get the topic about the technology, so we can write like technology is growing or flourishing by leaps and bounds, and its impact can be seen everywhere. Okay, this is your general fact. Like mostly if you get any like technology, you need to write full, guys. If you get any topic related to technology, in most of the statements or in most of the writing tasks it gets fit, but it is not necessary that you have to put in it. Sometimes you don't have a particular statement for you, so you will leave it. We'll simply write the paraphrasing. Okay, and now what is the paraphrasing? In paraphrasing, you just change the sentences or change the words with the help of synonyms, and or you change the order of the sentences. Like if it is written in active, you will write in passive. If it is written in passive, you will write in active voice. And if you have some problem with active and passive voice, just comment in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you guys and make some videos on that. Okay, so like if I show you a statement here which we are going to discuss in this video, there is a good deal of evidence that increasing car use of contributing global warming. First things, for understanding the task, you should make it habit to highlight the main words. Like they are showing a good deal of evidence. Evidence is basically something is proving something. Increasing car use, okay, automobiles they are talking about. Global warming, it is contributing in global warming, means cars are increasing the earth's temperature. What is global warming? Is earth's temperature is rising, that is global warming. Other undesirable means some negative effect. So these are some the words we have selected. These are the keywords of the writing task 2 here in front of you, and now we need to paraphrase it. So we will paraphrase it one by one. Before that, I will show you, and you should also put in your brainstorming it. What is brainstorming? You will always find the ideas and words which we are going to write down in our writing task 2. Like if I talk about the increasing, we can use the word expanding, okay, or like upsurge we can write. Car use of automobiles, definitely it can be used. Global warming, rising global temperature or rising earth's temperature, rising planet's temperature, it could be. People's health and well-being, simply we can write down here human health or the fitness, or masses, we can also use the word. And so all these words we can change in our writing. Okay, so right now if I show you here, this is our statement here, and this is the like paraphrasing we have done. Rising global temperature and human health and fitness issues are often viewed as being caused by expanding use of automobiles. This sentence I have written in passive, so I have changed the order to. If you want to write in the active, you can simply write is like the expanding use of automobiles is leading to the rising global temperature and human health and fitness issues. Okay, that is the active way of writing this. And after that, like this is our paraphrasing. If you are getting some like issues in it, you can comment below and I can further clean it in the next video to you guys. And if I talk about the next step, that will be the thesis statement. What is basically the thesis statement? It's your opinion, guys. It's your opinion what you are going to write in your task 2. Means if it is agree or disagree task, you are agree or disagree. If it is reason and solution, what reason and what solution you are going to write. So basically in opinion based essays, your thesis is most important. Like after the main idea, it is showing you like you can clear your coherence and you can clear your view in one sentence. For this, if I show you, like this essay agrees that increasing use of motor vehicles is contributing to rising global temperature and certain health issues. Means you are agree with this topic, like the use of cars is leading or is resulting in the rising temperature of earth, like glaciers are melting down and other effect you can see of the weather changes, or like unnecessary rains are there, all these things. So we do not need to write down here. What is a good and bad introduction, I have discussed in my next video. Description is the like is in the box given below, so you can simply click on the link and you can find out like what you write and what mostly you face problem with. And on this thesis we also have some videos in detail, but right now I can clear you with it. Like in mostly in agree and disagree essays, it matters a lot. Like this essay agrees that or disagrees that, all the things can be written here, guys. You can take the screenshot and later on you can use on it. I can show you one more example here, guys. So as usual we will go with the same thing, like some aspect of celebrity culture. What is celebrity culture? Basically, like there are many stars, TV stars, sports stars are there, they are flaunting their lifestyle, have a bad influence. Means it has a bad impact on young people, means the people of young age, basically 18, 20, 24, they have some real problem with this like celebrity culture or the flaunting or the social media life, we can say it. So if you are agree, you can simply write agree with this essay or agree with this statement, or if you are disagree, you can simply write that one. I have written both of the statement with you. Like I can show you, my essay will argue that celebrity culture does have a bad influence, and my thesis statement will be there like this essay agrees that some famous people lifestyle. To this celebrity we have written famous people have a detrimental is a negative word which we use for the dangerous or for the negative effects on youth of today. Means it has some negative effect. For negative we have used the word detrimental, for the celebrities we have used the word famous peoples. And these words you learn by going through the sample answers, going through the reading, by developing your language. When you are reading a lot and a lot, you will get these words. Always keep notebook with you. Like right now you are learning these words, just write them somewhere, so you have particular 100 to 150 words where you can change them or where you can learn them daily. Guys, I would say it is just all practice that makes you perfect. My videos are gonna really help you, but it is you which like is doing the real effort, which are really sweating for the IELTS or the reading or the writing, whatever it is. Like if I show you the one more example here, like learning to manage money is one of the key aspect of adult's life. To manage money, to learn how to manage their money, how to spend it, how to spend their budget. To adult life, adult means the same one, the youth which are the mature now. How in your view can individuals best learn to manage? Means they are asking you the importance and the way in which they can do. Simply we're gonna do that paraphrase, then we're gonna give some our like thesis statement or outline statement, we can say. Like if I show you here, you can simply write down like one of the keys to adulthood is appreciating how to budget your finance. That is your journal fact, guys. I have written it for you. One of the key means what is really main factor of your adulthood is appreciating or to learning how to budget your finance. Okay, means for money we can use the word. It is clear best way to someone can learn this is by managing money during childhood. You have just explained it a little bit because the statement is really short, so you are adding some information here, and there is nothing wrong to add a little bit information or to explain a little bit as you do in your intro and speaking or many other things there. So someone can learn this by managing money during childhood, and you are going to explain. You don't need to explain it in introduction, you are going to explain it in your body para or the body para 2, right? Now we will come to the thesis. So like this is not the agree or disagree task, or it is not an opinion based essay. So you need to write down some clear thesis about it, like what reasons are you are mentioning, so that you can further explain with the help of examples in your body paras. And for body paras, definitely there will be videos soon. Please subscribe the channel for that. So the essay will discuss the importance of parental involvement. The essay will discuss the importance, like how they can learn with the help of parents. So we are going to describe that in our essay. And the secondly, look at the importance of having a part-time job during childhood. Means these are your two main key factors which you are going to explain in your writing task 2, in your body para 1, in your body para 2, or you are concluding it. So your clear opinion, what reasons, what ways, what advantage, what disadvantage you are going to write next in your body para, you can simply write in your introduction. If you do so, the examiner have a clear statement in his mind, like he is going to check what he is reading in your opinion. Okay, so that's why I'm repeating it. Introduction is totally based on 3 parts, that is your journal statement, which is optional. Paraphrasing, which means change the words with the help of synonyms or change the order of the sentence. And the thesis is really important, guys. Many of the students forget to write down the thesis. That is not a good thing, that is really important thing. So if you have some questions, again you can ask us on the WhatsApp on the given number on your screen. You can comment on the comment section. Definitely we will try our best to reply yourself. And how you are enjoying this course, guys, of writing one, please tell me on WhatsApp, and I'll definitely have something great for you. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends.